This video is going to demonstrate how we are able to use this personal profiling template easier. At first, you are able to see the instruction on the top. It says the valid answer for each set is from 1 to number 4. Meanwhile, the 4 it means the most resemble the person, and number 1 is least resemble a person. Meanwhile, the remaining 2 answers will be either number 2 or number 3. So what I can see, you have 2 sets have not completed and it shows yellow color. Yellow color means these are the fields the user need to enter themselves. So I can either choose click and select the number, or I can key in the numbers number 2 and number 4 and number 1. That means in any time only these 4 numbers should be there for each set. Let's go to the next one. And now I intentionally to make some mistakes here. I key number 5, which is invalid. If I do so, I press enter. Excel will prompt us for the correction, where the valid number should be number 1, 2, 3, or 4. So I need to do it again. So I hit number 4. This could be number 3, and number 3, and number 3, which is incorrect. So if I do something like this, I complete 4 answers. You can notice the color of the title, it changes to red color. That means something wrong with this set of questions. So I come back and do some adjustment. So maybe this is the one. So whenever I'm done, I move away, the color on the title disappears from the red to the normal color. So once I have completed all these set of questions from the top until the bottom, once everything is ready, I go to the next worksheet. It says report, and everything is done. And the best of all is able to showcase the first 2 most dominant character of that person in the title, and it can show that whether this person is task oriented or people oriented, either assertive or reserved. And the colors show on the pie chart, those are the most dominant or not dominant based on 4 different characteristics. So this is how you are able to use Excel to simplify your personal profiling by using this kind of simple scenario. And I hope this gives you an idea on what you could do more in Excel.